All right, today we're driving a 2023 GR Corolla circuit. We are out at Midwest Motorsports Complex here in Jackson, Michigan. We've got a bit of a rally stage, a bit of a tarmac stage, a circle track. Should be a lot of fun. The first GR Corolla circuit that I've driven outside of the launch event back last year. So let's have some fun with it. Car's about 1,500 miles on it. It is a rally weapon and just a lot of fun. Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. I just had the Civic Type R out here, and it's amazing the difference between the two. This feels like it has a higher center of gravity. Of course, not as much grip on these PS4s versus the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires that I have on the Type R, so that's not really a fair comparison. But this is fun. This gives me rally car vibes, unlike just about anything else these days. Let's see, what mode are we in? We are in GR4 track, so 50-50 torque split front and rear. Nice. All right, onto the transition here. Do some circle track driving here. And what we really came out here for is dirt. See if we can get everything turned off. Hold it at a stop, and that should be full off. Whoops. All right, let's go into 30-70 split. See if that helps a little bit, sending more power to the rear. Chassis is so neutral off throttle, it rotates beautifully. Actually, I kind of prefer it in 50-50. It feels a little bit better. These cars are so much fun. Just rotate on demand. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Can't see. find one at or close to MSRP, this Circuit Edition is the way to go. It looks incredible with that carbon fiber roof, or carbon fiber reinforced plastic roof. There's some extra cooling too here. Rear diff shouldn't overheat as much in these cars. Little hoon session in a GR Corolla gives you guys a taste of what this thing is like. Pretty awesome. There we go. Strong handbrake too. That's important. Also, great thing about these cars, they even have a little bit of sidewall on these 18s, and these PS4s actually handle pretty well on dirt. Buddy Glade has some mud guards here. Not seeing any chips on the side, which is great. We had an issue with that with one of the press cars that we got. These rally armor flaps take care of all of that, and he's also got the whole car PPF'd. Yeah, dude, this thing is magic. It's so much fun.